So, if you came to the den Prilly and asked for advice, she probably need a huge hug and your shoulder to cry on. But if you come to the now Prilly, she will ask you to shatter the glass ceiling. Meghan Markle, my inspiration, once said, "With fame comes opportunity, but it also includes responsibility to advocate and share, to less focus on glass slippers, but more on pushing through glass ceiling. And if I am lucky enough to inspire, I want to see more of that from Indonesians, women and girls." So here's the deal. Have you ever heard 4 P's? Passion, persistence, patience, and pray? Those 4 powerful words have changed my life slowly but steady since the day I decided to believe in them.